now you can make it into a chocolate green smoothie. Now this will really cut out the bitterness of all the greens that you're using. So what you can do is after you make your smoothie, simply add raw organic carrot powder. Now this looks and tastes like chocolate, but it's a lot healthier. It doesn't have all the caffeine. It's less processed, and it's actually a superfood. It has a lot of iron, minerals, magnesium. It'll help detox your body. This is something that you can eat every day. So just add a few tablespoons of raw organic carrot powder. And carrot comes from a tree. It's naturally growing. It's a pod, and they basically just powder it. So it's all natural. Tastes great. Tastes just like chocolate. So I added some carrot powder, and then we're just going to blend it up. Now, as you can see, it's starting to look like chocolate milk or a chocolate smoothie, and I'm going to add some more because I really want the chocolate flavor in there. So, as with all these smoothies, add and adjust to your liking. So, I'm adding a few more tablespoons of raw organic carrot powder. And now your green smoothie is chocolatey, and it'll taste just like chocolate milk or a chocolate shake. You'll love it. So I'm going to pour it out. And again, you can add more or less raw organic carrot powder to make it more or less chocolatey. It's so delicious. You'll love it.